Happy birthday, Christy, Nerul ki Shan. Enjoy your day. We all love your dance and you're the pillar of Nerul. So, big fan. And yes, कोरोना खत्म होने दे एक बार. हम लोग सब लोग मिलके नाचने वाले थे, रूटीन याद है तो. So yeah, कोरोना खत्म होने दे तो मिलते हैं. Enjoy your day.
Hello Chechi.
Hello, happy birthday. Have a blessed birthday. Talents I guess you mention करे because like you are the person.
आपकी वजह से तो जाते हैं हम लोग. You are the one who takes the lead.
Yeah, you are the one who takes the lead and you are like practice करो, वो करो, ये करो, give up नहीं करेंगे, जाना है, जाना है, जाना है. This is the main reason why we go every year. Also हम लोग का I seriously miss that Sunday mass वाला मस्ती. We gather around choir side and like हम लोग उधर बैठते हैं. Even though हम लोग को chairs offer करते हैं, we are like very humble. We are like नहीं chair नहीं चाहिए, हम जमीन पे ही बैठेंगे. और ज़मीन पे बैठ के छोटा मोटा गॉसिप एंड सर्मन के टाइम में लंबे लंबे मैच नीचे बैठते करके कोई दिखता नहीं है तो इट्स गुड एंड या हैप्पी बर्थडे हैव अ वंडरफुल बर्थडे स्टे ब्लेस्ड टेक केयर बाय
Bye.
This one's for the one who's always super excited about Talentia. Happy birthday, Christy. Have a great year ahead and continue being the super amazing person that you are.
Hi! Happy birthday, Christy! We are so blessed to have you as our friend here.
And how can we forget those Talentia wale दिन, man? If you wouldn't have been there, कौन अपने पीछे पड़ता? Practice करो, guys. We miss those days, yeah. Seriously.
Yeah, and the one thing that is common between both of us is our passion for dance, and I love you for that.
Yeah, many happy returns of the day, girl. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi, Christy.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday.
Hey Christy Shadi, wishing you a very happy birthday. എനിക്ക് നിന്നോട് ഒരു കാര്യം മാത്രമേ പറയാനുള്ളൂ. ആസ് യൂഷ്വൽ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരവസരവും നീ മുതലാക്കാതിരിക്കരുത്. Keep clicking pictures and irritating the photographer by saying ये और एक पिक्चर लेना, इसमें मैं मोटी दिख रही हूँ, ये और एक पिक्चर लेना, इसमें मेरे बाल को कलर नहीं आया. Okay? Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you.
क्रिस्टी का बर्थडे है, वीडियो बनाना है, तारीफ करना है यार. सब लोग ने तो तारीफ किया रहेगा. ठीक है, मैं एक मेमोरी बोलता हूँ. टैलेंशिया 2014, ओके. नेरुल का परफॉर्मेंस था, सब लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, इधर से आ रहे थे, उधर से आ रहे थे, एंड सब लोग देख रहे थे. ठीक है, बॉयज़ का सेट हो गया, फिर बाद में गर्ल्स का सेट, ओके. सो एक बंदी चल के आ रही थी सेंटर से, एंड देन उसके बाद वो बंदी ने ये स्टेप स्टार्ट किया. लाइक वाओ, लाइक इतना एनर्जी कहाँ से भाई, कहाँ से. देन उसके बाद सनी कॉयर हुआ, फिर तुझसे मिला, फिर तब से लेकर अब तक एनर्जी में नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़. अभी पता है क्वारंटीन बर्थडे है, थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा जाएगा. ठंडा, इतना तो एनर्जी है भाई, ठंडा कैसे जा सकता है. हैप्पी बर्थडे क्रिस्टी, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड मे ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू.
गर्मी क्या हो रहा है आज इतना? तेरा वजह से क्या?
नहीं बल्लड़ते.
बहुत हॉट लग रहा है. इतना हॉट हुआ मत कर क्रिस्टी. ज़्यादा नहीं सड़ा रहा हूँ मैं. मेरी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड फुलफिल योर विशेस फॉरएवर. एंजॉय, स्टे एट होम, ओके. कीप स्माइलिंग.
Okay, hi Christy, happy birthday. So I hope this birthday brings you lots and lots of happiness and prosperity. And also I know about the efforts that you put in order to stay back in Mumbai for this birthday. So I would want you to enjoy it to the most. Talking about our memories is that 2020 New Year trip. So I just believe that we remain friends with each other and probably go on a trip someday.
Hi, Bichi sister. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Have a good one.
Hey, happiest birthday, Christy. May God bless you. Have a good, awesome birthday, and the energy you have in the dance and the friendship and everything. It's damn awesome. God bless you abundantly and take care.
Hi Christy. I don't even remember since when we know each other, but it has been a
very long journey. From hanging out with our groups in the evenings, from dancing with each other, being part of the committee and working side by side, and moreover being there for each other whenever we need it and lifting each other up. It has been a very wonderful journey, and I wish this journey never comes to an end. To my partner in crime for almost more than a decade, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed.
Christy, many happy returns of the day. I wish मैं वहाँ होती. I would have given you tightest hug, but that's not possible. So all my virtual hugs to you. Keep smiling, keep dancing, be jolly, be the way you are. I love you so much. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Christy. I hope you have a great day. It's your special day after all. And you are someone who is so inspiring and you're so amazing. Like, you stand up for yourself, you are so strong, and you're like an amazing dancer. Your expressions, I look up to you in so many ways. I think I've cherished every moment with you. I cherish this friendship I have with you. I mean, I am so blessed to have you. Like, the way you are, your innocence, you are so adorable, the way you care for me, and I just think there's not one single moment where I don't enjoy with you. So I just hope we go a long way. I so hope to meet you after lockdown and give you a really tight hug. So I love you so much, Christy. Have a great day, okay?
Christy, happy birthday. So I'll tell you my first memory about you, okay? I didn't know who Christy was. Leslie Lewis सिखा रहे थे 2018 में, and they taught some set जो obviously first 5 minutes में we fucked up very badly. So they were like, क्या कर रहा है यार? एक काम कर, Christy सामने आना, show them how it's done. And that's the first time I saw you dance. And the energy, re baba, it was too good. Energy, expression, the whole feel of it. And I was like, bro, ye ladki tu pataka hai bro. And that's my first memory. And I think by then I knew that this girl is meant for a lot of great things. And I'm telling you this since I know you now for like more than 2 years. It's not just acting or dance, anything that you take up, there's a long way for you to go, and only thing that can probably stop you is you. So don't restrict yourself, just go out, give it your full, and all the best for that. Bye bye.
Hi Christy, many happy returns of the day, and I just want to say that keep smiling, keep dancing, and keep acting, keep doing everything that makes you happy, and spread your happiness. Happy birthday, have a great one.
Happy birthday, Christy. We knew each other from a very long time, but last year that one random call took our friendship to a whole new level. I really miss those late night drive, random meetups, spontaneous plans, shopping, and especially the way we kicked off this year 2020 with our Alibag trip. That was the highlight. You are a very kind and caring person. Just tension learn how to come kar. Wish we could celebrate this birthday together. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true.
Hi, Christy. Wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Hey Christy, many happy returns of the day. May God shower His blessings on you for the wonderful person you are. Entertaining, loving, caring, and a cheerful soul. Hope this day brings you all the happiness you deserve. Enjoy this day abundantly and all the years to come. Once again, happy birthday, dear.
Many happy returns of the day, Chechi. We both know how confused we get when someone calls our name. It's always funny how we both turn around and say, you be Christy 1 and I be Christy 2. Stay blessed. Happy birthday.
ഹായ് ക്രിസ്റ്റി, ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഘട്ടങ്ങളിലും ഒരു കൂട്ടുകാരൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കൂട്ടുകാരി എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ടാകും. നിനക്ക് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഒരു നല്ല കൂട്ടുകാരിയുടെ സ്ഥാനം നീയായിട്ട് തന്നെ നിലനിർത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനുപരിയായി നീ ഈ ബർത്ത്ഡേ ദിവസത്തിൽ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ലല്ലോ എന്ന വിഷമത്തിൽ എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആശംസകൾ നേർന്നുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
Happy birthday, Christy, baby. May God bless you with all the happiness in the world. Enjoy, party hard. Quarantine birthday. लॉकडाउन के बाद जल्दी ही मैं पार्टी करेंगे. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Christy. You deserve all the cakes, love, hugs, and happiness today. Enjoy your day, my friend, and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Christy. May God bless you. Be happy always. Enjoy your quarantine birthday.
I Christy wish you many happy returns of the day. I wish you all the love and everlasting joy and happiness. Enjoy your quarantine birthday, dear. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Chris. Wishing you a year with all love, luck, light, peace, and happiness. We have so many memories together, cannot just say one from them, but I still remember I used to get annoyed a lot from your sari obsession because at the end I have to wear the same because of you. Also, I have to mention that sari really suits you, you look amazing. And talking about the things in common is of course food and dance. I don't know how can we dance all the time, but keep dancing as that's the only thing we can do perfectly and forever without any reason. Have known you for so many years, I can say that from dancing together to sharing all the gossips to working together have been quite a journey. Been a while we haven't seen each other, but that doesn't change anything between us. Still we will hug each other like we have been meeting and talking to each other daily. A tight hug for you, girl. Have a best quarantine birthday. Of course, you're 24. It's the time for you to get married to some idiot. And I have to mention that I want a party this time. Please don't forget this line. I want a party. Once again, happy birthday. Love you.